So let's get back to the SQL server. Okay, this is the table we want to apply. We want to work with the where clause right now. All right. Let me create a new query. Okay, there's a query here. Where situation whereby after creating the joins like this, or probably you want to look into this set. And so, okay, I want the result of a particular product ID that has 319. What does it look like? Or that has the color black or silver, or has the product name Chainring Bolt. What does it look like? Let's dive in. Select star from. I think I'm going to use a transaction table. So sorry. Select star from transaction table, where transaction table where let me look at transaction factors of this. Okay, where order quantity is equal to 5 is equal to 4, where order quantity equals 4. Let's execute. So you see, we have filtered this row out, seeing the where the order quantity is 4, which is so see the information it all contains. All right. You can see where it is 4 and where the quantity order quantity is between 4 and a particular number. 4 and let's see what we have here. 4 and 6, or rather 4 and 70. 4 and 70. Between 4 and 70. So let's hit the execute. So these are the available numbers that we can filter out from there. Now let's look at the table. Quantity, order quantity between 4 and 70. All right. Okay. Let's check the next, where the order quantity or is less than is less than 8. You can say or is greater than 8. Can you see right now? Can you see the result we're getting? We can try lots of things, or we can say where the order quantity is equal to 1, order quantity is equal to 8, or order quantity equal 43. And we hit execute. So you can see what it gives us. Okay, right now, we can also do it like this, where order quantity in 4,8. So you can see the results it's giving us. We can also see where the color equals black, but we can just write black. We have to give it a alright, to make it a string that it is. So they have to cover this. Which one am I gonna cover? This? No. Cover this. How come? Oh, okay. There is no column named color order. I think what we have is a there is where color equal to sorry. Why am I experiencing this? Something's wrong. Oh, sorry. In the table I'm working with, there's no such thing like color in the transaction table. Rather, if I pull up this product table, right here, you can see that this gives us space. Execute. So right now you can see every information that contains black as a color. Okay,